alone life. Now we feeling it again. Better hold tight. We on this ride that never ends. Going all night. Can you feel this energy? This is where we're meant to be.
Hello guys, kumusta po kayo? Sana ay nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. For today's video, ang gagawin po natin ay magto-toner po tayo. Ang aking ito-toner ay yung aking highlights din po nung nakaraan. Kasi po, bakit po natin siya ito-toner? Kasi nag-orange po yung kanyang highlights. So, ito po yung nangyari kasi nung hina-highlights ko po siya is napabayaan po siya kasi marami po kaming customer na dumating. At yung roots niya, nalagyan din siya, naging light siya. So, itatouch up din natin yung mga ibang roots lang. Konti lang naman. So, yung roots niya kasi it's may pagka-brown. So, lalagyan lang natin siya ng number 4. Konti lang naman. So, dalawa yung ating gagawin. Isang pang toner and isa pong para sa kanyang roots. So, lalagyan lang natin ng 6.1 and haluan lang natin ng konting 7.1. So, may pagka-ash-ash lang yan po ang gagawin natin para matanggal po yung pagka-orange ng kanyang highlights. So, yan guys. So, i-prepare ko lang yung ating gagamitin. So, sana panoorin nyo po hanggang sa matapos ang video na to.
I put on the that dry naman better. Dry, you know, I will just only this one. The one. Not yes, I will. Up to you. You want to remove? No. Something is coming.
So, tignan nyo yung kanyang buhok, no? So, may pagka-orange-orange. So, lalagyan lang natin. Ito-toner natin siya ng dry lang siya. So, hindi muna natin siya hugasan. 15 to 20 minutes lang din. Katulad din yung nasa sink siya. So, pipiliin lang natin yung mga na-highlights para makatipid tayo sa gamot. Kasi konti lang naman yung yung highlights niya. Bali, isa lang sa likod. And then, ito lang yung pinili namin. So, madali lang siyang lagyan. So, habang nilalagyan ko yung kanyang roots kasi naging light din siya kasi napabayaan ko yan nung dumating na yung mga customer namin yan. Ayusin ko natin. Yan. Konti lang naman. So, lagay natin ng kanyang base color. Pagkatapos ng base color, lalagay naman natin yung toner. Yan. So, piliin lang natin yung highlights. Madali lang naman to guys, no? So, ililive natin yan ng 15 to 20 minutes pagkatapos na.
From the outside, it's okay, but I want to leave the show, but see, all this last. If you do Maria, he don't like. Only he see another, he like.
Even I put the original hair in the chicks. You know, this one, 6.1 coming. Brown. Because if I will put all, I will, you need to chew. But like this, I need to do something. Because I don't know what the orange.
For me, I don't know what I do.
I'm learning the orange like Ashi. Not to like. Kasi, really, because if I put water, it's like, at least I will not make caramel. You want like this color, madam? Ashi?
Three times, bleach.
Like this. But even like bleach, if they have na, pwede ko yung wala rin the orange. No?
I don't know, you see. First day, I feel too much for it. Because I want only some like lens, no? Like 1, 2, and 3. I don't know, it's one out of me.
The old ones.
Yeah, I don't know. Better I tell you, no, madam, it's not too much. If I would not tell you, no. You remember not telling, only one day every day.
You want to heal you?
For also,
What they go? At least they know. Yes, this one coming orange, they need to put like ash. Before we do highlights, after we can do one. No, we do highlights.
see how you do.
This one not coming. Okay, maybe coming dark color.
This one like
this one.
see orange.
See orange. Because you cannot put it again. Only one
But I
time.
think only this one like upside, no? That's why. See after he's holding, no? Up.
Do you remember this one that was seven before?
J1
because
same he wants 6 number only.
yeah, there we go there. Because husband doesn't have the color. Better we can change your husband.
No, better like only he put color like color, no like me.
No, there they already decided to put what color they should put. So no need to make bleach like this. If the highlights finish, they change also. So what do we do? So that's why I thought they're just wasting your money. Making one time we go. No, it makes the lines change. See? This one only if the
But
highlights
now
only the 6.1, 7.9.
no, because he also doing no 6 I think.
This is 6.1 only for it. You cannot go up from like that.
No, I don't think too much.
No, but for the customer, you cannot tell, okay, you can put 9.1, the outcome is 9.1. No, only remove the orange. You see the lady when I'm fixing them, yeah? I'm putting ashy color to remove the orange.
Yesterday I will take some cotton towel. I mean my lips like that. Oh, skin like changing, you know. Now this one for this side
Maybe
maybe
it's too much.
no, only this side I think maybe scrub my lip.
Maybe it's right. Sometimes if I don't
Water. You want to drink too much water? No? I don't like to drink water.
maybe in the morning, maybe I drink 1 cup. After I come here to drink 1. After the day.
Before I feel in the front car, too much coming, so I do myself. After 2 days, no, nice jogging. Better like the window.
This is only one we take, see? But if open, like too much.
If madam you do too much, after like better like little. This one you do, but I'm not doing this one. But this one I change, no? One more, this one for ear, near my ear. But too much. I feel only one this side. And this side I cannot. This side I can. That's why you come every day, more than this one. And you take here 3, 4. This another I don't know what name. You are getting also sometimes I'm getting full, no? You are making chance.
There's no joking that in me.
You don't joking, you're like that. I know what? Oh, you don't listen anything.
She's selling medicine. She knows this one doctor, not that's why I'm happy. I told her, like, she said from Indonesia. And then, how come from Indonesia? And I told this one from Philippines. She doesn't know what she's selling. After no, this one made in Indonesia but in the Philippines. Huh? Made in Indonesia but in the Philippines. Come on. Made in Indonesia.
What?
I did. This one, huh?
See how little. Show me.
Like a little.
Oh, this show me for ear. Same we take too much here, no? But see?
You can see.
Yeah.
You don't have any luck yet. I don't need brain. I have too much problem. It's a video of IG.
Just really some kind of something.
That's when you upload only little thing. You fight. Time and miles.
Now what if I okay?
Oh my God. See what the problem. I didn't have time for myself.
20 minutes?
2 minutes because it changes.
150. 25? 25.
Change it. Login slow.
This one how come too much?
I don't know. Only there you see.
Yeah.
Only open your hair coming same too much. Look like too much. Like only how 3 here, 3, 6. Wait.
I think like 12 like all.
Yes, only there.
Yesterday it's ready making here, no? No. Daughter, no, my daughter here, not going to this straight, no? Fighting. I feel madam give 25, supposed to be 35.
Now I can only together.
Yeah,
But if choose around, no. Yeah, always doing. Choose around, no. This is 2 hours.
this one going, madam? This is really
So, 20 minutes na po yung nakalipas. So, okay na po. Bali, nag-change na po yung kulay. So, hugasan na po natin. And then, pagkahugas po niyan, lalagyan po natin ng purple shampoo.
Better than.
This one coming, madam. Even you are covering, no?
Yeah.
This one after
Wash
washing.
this one. That's it.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. Purple shampoo.
Purple shampoo. Guys, purple shampoo. Guys, very nice for massage.
Massage.
If you want to wash your hair, if you want to cover your highlights, come with.
So, serious sira ulo.
You are
You
changing.
wash yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday, no? But today, no, you tell, no? What time you send message, I see morning.
I cannot sleep.
Yeah,
I'm
no.
thinking what I will do.
No, madam, for
I like
me.
that if I want to do something.
No, but this one giving medicine, no, still not finished. 2 days, still more night. This one, if I eat, oh my god, morning, I cannot. And I go, I taking shower.
Oh, you take wrong. Like this. Yeah. Oh, I will edit after. Your guys is already.
Guys, guys, see? Very
Oh.
nice. But more, but I think my face too much black, no? See my madam too much beautiful.
Sira ulo. I will not put it.
Why you not? I'm not joking. You're beautiful, madam.
Your ass.
See, guys,
Purple shampoo.
Purple
Give 5 to 10
shampoo.
minutes.
15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 10.
Tala, no?
No, only the purple shampoo. Like refreshing the color.
Ah, okay. You listen, my madam, huh? I am Sira Ulu.
Maganda naman. See?
Yeah. Very nice.
Oh, not showing off like that. Oh, green. Green ashy. At saka little bit okay na.
Yeah, my hair okay now. Before, I told madam, you may come. I don't know, do protein for me. I not come. Why you not live in the TikTok?
I don't know how to use TikTok.
Better I will teach you, no? Live making video. Yeah, madam.
Okay. No, I don't know how to use TikTok. Now we will put mask on that coming dry. Only 5 minutes at least. But you don't have customer until now. Customer will not wash. No, because this is mask.
Guys, see my madam putting mask.
The color okay no?
Okay.
Not too light, not too dark. We will get after the man you will wash after we have customer. Because this one must no better more
Okay.
time. Oh, okay na. Okay. This one, the one I make massage, no?
Madam, relax. Same buffalo. I want to press, but not going down.
Because the one who I doing with hair is haram.
This one too.
Until now, my hand pain.
Yeah. I go home, I tell Pramila, no, you can buy outside food. So he go outside, he buy outside chicken, like chapati, gravy, something very nice, no?
The
They tell what happened, I tell again, no, my this one no pain.
In the morning, I can't get up. My body too much pain. Until now, my muscle too much.
Yeah, this one, I tell same, this one buffalo skin.
But she's short.
Yeah, but hard, madam, too much hard. You cannot, I don't know,
2,000 years later.